Hey guys, it's Ashlyn, your ASB Secretary. I hope you are all doing super good and that quarantine is going okay for you all. We are almost done with school, so keep pushing, do those DLD days because we are almost at the finish line. Currently, I do have some announcements for everyone. Starting on Friday the 22nd, that will be time to vote for class elections. You do have classmates who are running to be on class cabinet, so make sure you vote to get your voice heard and to vote for who you want representing your grade. Coming up this Wednesday for seniors, we do have cap and gown pickup from 2 to 4. So make sure you go to the EC parking lot. You and your parents should have gotten an email about the information regarding cap and gown pickup. So make sure to review that so you know what time to come to EC between 2 and 4 to get your gown. Another thing for juniors, there is a college essay workshop that you guys can RSVP to. That is going to be on May 18th. So if you do want help writing your college essays, RSVP so they know how many people are going to attend. But I would definitely highly recommend that and take advantage of your resources because you guys will soon be off to college. Lastly, I want to wish a good luck to everyone taking AP tests. I have already taken 2, so I am done, thank goodness, but they went super well. So anyone who is going to be taking AP tests, again, wish you good luck. You guys are going to crush it. We're almost done with school. But other than that, I do hope everyone is doing good, and we will be back next week to talk about more announcements. Bye, guys.